everyone said the locksmith. In my previous video, you couldn't see the bitting very well on the pick, and I do apologise. I've rectified the issue. I do apologise again because on this pick it is worn out. There's so much dirt there. This one's been with me since Lishi developed the V3. This one has, so as soon as they released this one from the original versions, this has been with me. It's open, I want to say hundreds. It's tarnished, it's covered in dirt. It's fantastic. I love this pick. Anyway, if you don't know much about it, then I did explain in more depth in my previous video. The ignition barrel come out with a Mk8 transit off a steering column. They wanted to keep the column for spares, but I got to keep the barrel. So I didn't know the bitting to it or nothing like that. Obviously I did it in the last video, and I'm just going to quickly go over it again to explain only very, very lightly that, you know, what I did, and so you can see the numbers better. So you got numbers 1 to 10, because there's 10 positions in the lock with 10 wafers. There's 2 upper, 2 lower, and down the sides, down here, you see the depths, and on top, you see all the spaces, basically the bitting where they're located. Now I always push up gently on this on my pick, just until you can see, just until it stops, and a little bit more really. That's your turning force. Too much and it will not work. It'll get stuck. The pins get stuck. It's called binding, and it won't come undone. Now, so we start picking from 1 to 10. If it's springy, we leave it alone. If it's firm, we go down one of the depths, and then we see if it's still if it's springy, and if it is, we leave it alone. If it's still binding, we leave it there, and we just continue like that until it's open. So I'm trying to do this quick because my previous video explained a bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4 was binding a little bit. She's now down a depth. Number 5, number 6, number 7 is binding. It's gone down. Number 8 is really binding, so we go down 1 depth, and then we check to see if it's springy. And then we got number 9 binding, number 10 binding, number 1 binding. And after every time I pick these, notice I am always checking to see if it's springy or not. And if it's springy, we leave it alone. Number 8, 9, and number 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is binding, and we are done. And now we are picked open. Now, I'm not going to show you how to decode in this video. It will be done in the final video, because this is going to be a 3-part series. The next one's going to be how to build a 101, especially in a situation like this where you don't have a keyblade. So, if I remember correctly, number 4 was binding last time. So we'll take a little bit of tension off. Oh, there we go. And that's it. And in the next video will be a complete breakdown, strip down of the lock, and I'll show you how to rebuild the ignition lock. I haven't got any doors or bonnet locks in stock at the moment. I am still waiting on my delivery. It's taking its time. Once I get them, I will be showing how to build them in the future.